Well, this is a big day for the Shawnee Mission School District. A longtime school board member and his wife are donating $100,000. Sayed Shabir tells us how the money will be used.
A very exciting day for the students here in the Shawnee Mission School District. The money will be going towards STEM initiatives, which stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. And the hope is that students can excel in these subjects here in the classroom and then take those skills into advanced college degree programs and ultimately into the workforce. Now, today's announcement was made right here at Shawnee Mission West's Biotechnology Lab, where students get hands-on training in a research lab setting. The donation from Dr. Craig Denny and his wife Terry will fund similar initiatives. The Dennys have been a part of the district for a combined 33 years. Dr. Craig Denny as a school board member and Terry as an elementary school teacher. Both received science degrees and all three of their daughters graduated from the district. When asked what he'd like to see what happens with his money, he said something that's never been seen before.
It's a little bit like paying it forward. You know, we've been blessed in all of the things that we've done, and we want to see opportunities for those kids that are coming behind us.
Now, I also spoke to some students here in the district who are very excited to see what can happen with this money. That money will sit in a foundation until it is ready to be spent, but right now there aren't any immediate plans in place other than that it will help students for generations to come. At Shawnee Mission West High School, Sayed Shabir, 41 Action News.